I am Dr. Rajiv Gupta. I am an orthopedic surgeon. I have interest in knee and shoulder surgeries. I have vast experience in partial knee replacements, rotator cuff surgeries and ligament surgeries across the joint. I visited USA, UK, France and South Africa for my advanced training in knee and shoulder problems. I am going to talk about anterior cruciate ligament injury. Anterior cruciate ligament is a very important ligament that combines this femur bone to tibia. This ligament helps in various movement across the joint and it gives stability to the joint. This is one of the most common ligament injury found in a sports player, but it can be happened in common men also because of road traffic accidents and improper movement while we are in hurry while getting down from the stairs and we have a fall that causes ACL ligament injury very frequently. This is a crippling problem and patient find himself that something bad happened to his knee and he heard a sound and that is first time in his life. Sometimes patient has a fear in his mind that he can't put his weight on his knee while playing, while getting down, while going slope पे उतरना है ना तो उसको डर लगता है कि मेरा knee buckle खा जाएगा. And this goes continuously and after that patient starts severe pain and later on he develops meniscal tear also. It can be diagnosed very easily with clinical examination or MRI is a gold standard. If it is a partial tear, it can be treated with conservative treatment. For example, if patient has on MRI ACL strain or single bundle tear, then supervised physiotherapy program is enough. By physiotherapy, we can strengthen the muscles and ligaments around the joint and patient start developing confidence in his knee. अगर ये tear complete है, MRI says कि it's a complete ACL tear, then surgery is the best option. आजकल हमारे पास में बहुत एडवांस टेक्निक है जिससे हम ACL को वापस रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. We have arthroscopy, minimal invasive technique. We just put a small incision and with various autografts, for example hamstring, bone patellar tendon bone graft, quadriceps graft, ये सब निर्भर करता है कि पेशेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, उसका प्रोफाइल क्या है. अगर वो हाई डिमांड एथलीट्स है और उसको जल्दी अगर स्पोर्ट्स में जाना है तो फिर ग्राफ्ट चॉइस पेशेंट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाती है. बाय डूइंग आर्थ्रोस्कोपिक ACL रिकंस्ट्रक्शंस द लिगामेंट इज रीस्टोर्ड अगेन इन हिज नी और उसके बाद में प्रॉपर फिजियोथेरेपी एंड प्रॉपर रिहेबिलिटेशन द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन कैन गेट बैक टू हिज sports or common man can do all type of strenuous activities or normal activities as well. As motion is life, by putting this ligament in the knee back again, I think I can assure every sports player and normal person that he can do his all activities without any fear. Thank you.